Emily woke up with excitement. Today was the day she would go shopping for a dress. Not just any dress, but the perfect dress for her date with Mark, someone she had been admiring from afar for months. They had finally decided to go out together, and Emily wanted to look her best. After breakfast, she quickly dressed, headed out to Fashion Boutique, a store known for its beautiful and unique clothing. As she stepped inside, the smell of fresh fabric and the sight of colorful dresses made her heart race. The boutique was filled with clothes in different styles, and the soft music playing in the background made the atmosphere cheerful. Emily wandered through the aisles, running her fingers over the fabrics. She noticed a stunning blue dress that caught her eye. It was elegant, with a flowing skirt that seems to dance with every movement. She imagined how it would look on her, and how Mark would react when he saw her in it. She thought, what if it didn't fit? With determination, she approached a sales clerk. Clerk introduced herself as Anna and offered to help. After discussing what Emily was looking for, Anna led her to the blue dress. Emily felt a rush of hope as she held it up against herself. It looked perfect. However, when she asked for her size, Anna had to check in the back room. Emily waited for a long time, fearing that it might not be available. When Anna returned with a smaller size, Emily felt better. Now she hurried to the fitting room, eager to try it on. As she put on the dress, she felt like a princess. And when she looked into the mirror, she could hardly believe her eyes. Feeling confident and beautiful, she stepped out of the fitting room to show Anna. It's perfect, turning around to see how it moved. But then another thought struck her. What if it came in another color? She had always loved red. Maybe that would be even more stunning. Anna quickly checked their inventory and found that they had the same dress in red. Excitedly, Emily decided to try it on as well. When she saw herself in red, she felt a different kind of magic. The color showed warmth and love, making her feel bold and confident. After thinking carefully between the two colors, Emily decided to go with the blue one. It was elegant, yet fun. As she headed toward the cash register, she was not sure again when she saw the price tag. It was a bit higher than she had expected. Emily asked Anna if there were any discount available. To her delight, Anna informed her that they could offer a 10% discount, since it was a special occasion. Relieved and grateful, Emily accepted the offer. As they wrapped up the purchase, Emily's eyes wandered to the accessories section. She found a silver necklace that would complete her new dress perfectly. After trying it on, she asked about its price and learned it was quite affordable. With Anna's help, she was able to get it for a lower price. With her new dress and necklace in hand, Emily felt delighted as she left the store. The sun was shining brightly outside, and everything seemed more vibrant than before. She couldn't wait for her date with Mark later that evening. As she walked home, thoughts of what to say during dinner filled her mind. Would they talk about their favorite movies? Or perhaps share memories from their childhood? Each possibility made her feel very excited. Later that evening, after getting ready and putting on her new dress and necklace, Emily stood in front of the mirror for the last time. She felt confident and different. She grabbed her purse and headed out. When Emily arrived at the restaurant where Where they were meeting, she saw Mark waiting at the table by the window. He looked up and smiled widely. "Wow, you look amazing," he said as she took her seat. Emily felt her cheeks turn pink from her happiness as they chatted over dinner. They talked about everything: music, dreams, and travel, finding common ground in their interests, and laughter filling the air around them. Emily realized that this was not just about finding a perfect dress. It was about feeling good in her skin and enjoying moments that mattered. When they finally left the restaurant, Mark suggested a walk by the river. The night was warm and filled with the stars shining above them like tiny diamonds across a dark sky. As they were walking side by side, Emily felt grateful for this moment. The perfect dress had led to an unforgettable night, filled with laughter and connection. Sometimes it's not just about what we wear, but how we feel in our own skin makes us shine. Thank you for listening to this story. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories. Share this story with your friends and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you next time and bye.